5.2, dear student. Question 1 here is fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term, B the common difference, and AN the nth term of the AP. Very easy. Already they have given here the three terms and it's a description what they are indicating. Now one table is given in that, and let's write down each and every. There 5 questions are there. Okay, we have to write the required result wherever it is given in a fill-ups form. But dear student, instead of writing it in a table, I would like to prepare to note down what we are given in one and what we have to find individually. So here I am giving the heading. Okay. Now, as we are starting the solution, blanks maybe we are writing in such a way. So first question what we are given here, just look at your screen and see. We are starting now. A equal to, we are given 7. Then note down D equal to 3, N equal to 8, and of course A N equal to question mark. This we are given here. Now dear student, what we have to do, we want to find AN. Keep this formula in a mind always, dear student. To find AN is the nth term of an AP. AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. As you are applying this formula first time, so you keep it in a mind, because every time we are going to use the same formula to find the nth term of an AP. Now in this formula, let's note down the value one by one according to the requirement. A is the first term, that is 7. N is a number of nth term, that is 8. Total 8 terms are there. Minus, we are given 1, so we need to write 1. And that between these two terms there is multiplication. The relation between this is multiplication or a product. And here we need to write the difference of the two terms, that is 3. Clear to you? Now, very simple, very easy. 7 plus 8 minus 1 is 7, 3 are 21. So dear student, first we need to give the reference to the product. 7 3 are 21. 21 plus 7, that gives the result 28. So the answer for this question is N equal to 28. So this is the solution for the first question. I hope it's clear to you. So my dear student, here second question number 1, it's the second result we are picking from the table. Here in that we are given first term, that is minus 18. Difference we need to find between two terms, N equal to 10, and the last term AN equal to 0. So dear student, in that also we need to apply the same formula. Reason behind that, AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. In this formula, through the out of these 4 values for the AN, A, N and D, if 3 are available, then the fourth one we can find easily. So let's substitute the value in that. Here I need to write therefore sign. AN, its the value is 0. What is A? Minus 18. N, that is 10 minus 1. And what is D? We do not know. So let it be as it is. So next step I need to write here. This is minus 18. I am bringing to this side. So it will become plus 18. So here this is shifted to this side. And as you know, 10 minus 1. This is, I have written minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9 into D. So let me make a subject to D. So it will be 18 divided by 9. So the difference D is 2. We know 9 2 are 18. So the answer for the second part is 2. Clear to you? So my dear student, third one is A equal to question mark. First term we need to find here. D equal to minus 3. And that is 18. Now total number of terms 18 and nth term that is minus 5. So my dear student, here I am substituting the value. An is minus 5, so along with the sign I am mentioning, A we need to find, so as it is, n is a 18 minus 1 and D is the difference that is minus 3. So next step will be minus 5 is here as it is. We know here 18 minus 1 that is 17 multiplied by minus 3. You know very well dear student, minus 5 is here, 17 3 ja 51. So I need to write minus 51. If I bring this minus 51 to the left side, so it will become plus 51 and the subtraction of this is coming 46. So dear student, the answer for the first term A that is coming 46. Clear to you? Easy. So the fourth one which we are given in the table, A equal to its value minus 18.9, D equal to 2.5 and question mark and AN equal to 3.6. Again we are applying the same formula, AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now in that formula I am going to substitute the value of AN that is 3.6. A, it's a negative minus 18.9. And we do not know, let it be as it is n, and minus 1. 1 is as it is. And of course the value of D here I am mentioning into 2.5. Okay, this what we are given I have mentioned only. Now in the next step, 3.6 is already this side. I am bringing this minus 18.9 to the left side, which is plus 18.9. And this side it is, you can see here 2.5 and this is n minus 1. So I need to mention n minus 1 here, multiply by 2.5. Here. Now let's have the sum of this. 9 plus 6, 5, 15. 1 carry over. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 3. That is 12 to 1 carry over. So I am gaining 22.5. The sum of this is coming 22.5. And this side it is n minus 1. I am bringing, this is in the condition with the product. This you can see they are multiplied with the product, connected with the product. So this 2.5 I have to bring at the denominator to this side. So the next step, if I want to simplify, then I need to write n minus 1 equal to 22.5. If I shift this decimal, then 10 I have to write here in the denominator. And if I want to shift this decimal, then it's a 10 I need to write as a numerator. So this 10 will be cancelled and we know 25 9 ja 225. So finally our equation will become n minus 1 equal to 9. Here. So let me bring it to this side. So n equal to 9 is already there. Minus 1 I will bring to this side. So it will become plus 1 and that is equal to 10. So the value of n equal to 10. This is the complete solution of fourth part of question number 1. So dear student, fifth one is on the screen. A equal to 3.5, D equal to 0, N equal to 105 and AN equal to question mark. So AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Very simple, very easy. We need to note down here as we want to find AN. The formula remains same. The value of A I am inserting here 3.5. In place of N I am writing 105 minus 1 and the value of D is 0. Okay. So here 3.5 plus 105 minus 1 is 104 into 0. So my dear student, any number when we multiply with 0, of course it gives the result 0. So the answer for this AN is only 3.5. So the nth term of this polynomial, is AP is 3.5. So this is the solution of fifth part of question 1. Here question 1 is over. So dear student, question number 2 is we are given here in the exercise 5.2. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. So it is MCQs based question. First one we are given 30th term of the 10, 7 and 4 dash 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 is. And 4 options along with that we are given 97, 77, minus 77 and minus 87. So let's try to find the solution. First of all, dear student, as it is 30th term, so of course n equal to we will consider as 30. Now let's note down A. A is the first term of the AP. The first term of the AP is 10. Now you know very well D. What is D? D is the difference of second term minus first term. So it will be 7 minus 10. That is minus 3. Got it? Now, the general formula to find an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Agree? In this, I am going to substitute the value of a, that is 10, and the value of n, that is 30 here. So 30 minus 1, and the difference is negative number minus 3. Don't miss to write here minus 3. By mistake, if you while subtracting, if you apply this method 10 minus 7, you will do the difference from first term minus second term, then here it will be 3 and that is wrong. So be careful, it is A2 minus A1 always. So next step I need to write here 10. As you know, 30 minus 1 is 29, and when it multiply with negative number, of course it gives the negative result. So 9 3 are 27, 2 carry over, 2 3 are 6 plus 2 87. Now we want to find here an. An means A30, that is 30th term. So here in place of n, if I use 30, then it's okay. N equal to 30 already with us. Now when we subtract from this to this, then I will have minus 77. So the correct option minus 77 is C option is correct, right? So I need to write option C is option C is the correct option. This is the solution of the first MCQs, or choose the correct answer. So here second is we are given 11th term of the minus 3, minus 1 half, 2 and so on is. So what we have to do for that? 4 options are also given. 28, 22, minus 38, minus 48 and 20. So my dear student, let's go with the solution, which is quite easy. As we know that here an equal to, we need to find an. So an is a question. Beside this 11th term, so n equal to 11, agree? Now what about A? A is the first term of the AP, that is minus 3. What about D? D is the difference of second term minus first term. You can see here carefully, I need to mention, I have mentioned here minus sign. A2 minus A1. So the simplification of this will be minus 1 half minus minus plus 3. So dear student, if you take LCM, then 3 to just 6. Minus 1 plus 6 divided by 2. Minus 1 plus 6 divided by 2, which gives the result
plus
minus
5 by 2.
by 2. So the difference is coming minus
plus
5
by 2.
Clear to you? Now, all these required results we need to substitute in the formula. Now, what is the formula? Let's note down here. Which we are gaining, that is positive 5 by 2. It's a 5 by 2. Now, this is the formula. In this, we are going to put the value. Therefore, n equal to 11. So, A11 equal to, in place of A, minus 3. And that is 11 minus 1. And the value of D is 5 by 2. So the next is, here it is minus 3. 11 minus 1 is 10 and this is 5 by 2. This will be cancelled with this. So here it will be 5. 5 5 ja 25. 25 minus 3 gives the result 22. That's why the value of A, that is A11 equal to 22, and according to this, B option is the correct option. So the answer is B option, that is 22. So we need to write here B option is correct. B option which we are given, that is the correct option. Here.